Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty, and occasionally you get a little lifestyle content. Before we get into today's video, I'll need you all to stop right now, click that subscribe button, and make sure you click that notification bell so you can always be in the know as to when I post a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and please, please, please leave me a comment because I need to know what you think of what we're about to do here today. But make sure you are respectful with the comments, okay? Now, since we got all that out the way, in today's video, I have done a little something. It's actually been a week now. It was a week yesterday. Let me just show you. Yes, it is gone, y'all. I needed something different. I needed a change. I was so over the hair. I was over the look. So anyway, this was step one, cutting it all off. Now step two, your girl is gonna go platinum. Okay. Not sure if I want to do the white color just yet, but today I'm only doing one process because y'all, I am a licensed hairstylist, but I have got to admit that I am just a tad bit scared of bleach. But I'm going to bleach my hair because I know that's the only way I can achieve the color that I have in my mind and the color that I really want to rock with this short look. So I am doing a process of bleach and not sure if I'm going to tone it or not. Let me just let you know what I'm going to use to get this look. Got the quick blue as I just showed you. Need some 40 volume developer, a mixing bowl. You need an applicator brush, you need gloves, plastic bag, and Vaseline. You will also need a purple based shampoo. You can use shimmer lights, but in my case, I am using Fanola No Yellow, and I get it from Amazon. I would try and link the products below because most of them come from Sally's Beauty, and I think I got just a couple of things from Amazon. Step one, Vaseline. As in any chemical process, you want to base your hairline. What you're trying to prevent are chemical burns. Because bleach is very, very harsh on the skin, and it is just as harsh on the hair. But being that I don't really have a lot of hair now, I'm not too worried about the hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the lines to try and protect my skin there. Before we even mix the color, make sure you put the gloves on, because I made the mistake and got the cream developer on my finger, and that cream developer burned. I mean, it turned it white. So go ahead and put the gloves on before we even mix the color. I'm using quick blue. I don't know how much I'll need for my hair, but let's start with 2 scoops. But this is how it comes. This is a full bag of bleach. Take 2 scoops inside of your bowl. I'm just pouring developer in here. Y'all, I don't never measure it out. I know the consistency that I need and that I want, so I'm just gonna pour and mix. I'm sorry, I can't give y'all like for sure numbers and how much to do. Make sure you have on a shirt that you don't care if it messes up or get dirty. And also be very careful because you don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. A couple of things about bleach. You have to work pretty fast when you're working with bleach. And prior to bleaching, you want to make sure that you don't really agitate the scalp much, because this is a chemical process, and what you don't want is the bleach to burn your scalp and you're not able to leave it on for the amount of time that you're needing. Now, I think I pretty much have it to the consistency that I want. I know you can't really see because it's so bright. I'm nervous, y'all. Here goes. I'm doing this because I'm scared I don't want to drop it in my eyes. You have to make sure that it is completely saturated too, y'all, because this hair is dark, and what you want to make sure is there is an even color. I know everything I need to do. Now, how it's gonna come out, that's something else. Now, I have a mirror over here and I'm using a hand mirror because I want to make sure I get the back very well. Let's get this hairline. Make sure you get every piece of black hair there is. I have completely placed it all the way around my head. So now I'm just going back, and I feel like I don't have enough right here in this top area. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it is starting to change already. Okay, I know I didn't say this in the beginning and I didn't show you this, but I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and I just kind of wanna comb it through just to make sure everything's saturated and I'm getting all in between the hair, because y'all, my hair is thick. So I wanna make sure I'm getting all those black hairs. Next thing is, don't do as I say. You can possibly do as I do, but don't do as I say. I'm not telling you to do this, but I am going to leave it on for 1 hour. You can do that if you want to at your own discretion. You can also choose to leave it on for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 45, but I'm doing 60. If I could take it, y'all, because this is starting to tingle already. I know I was trying to make sure I get it all, but I shouldn't have went through with that comb. Don't do that. Now that I have it completely on my entire head, let me look one more time. I am going to put the plastic bag over this and let it process. And you need heat to process. 1 hour, 60 minutes. The time is 1:02. I will see you all in 1 hour.
1 hour later.
All right, y'all, I have shampooed the color out after 1 hour. And yeah, y'all see all this. I mean, I was really getting in there. And I'm about to reveal it.
Yeah.
Y'all. Oh, this is not the color I want. This is too yellow. Maybe I should try toning it, because I want it a little bit whiter than this. Toning takes the yellow out. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try toning it, and if the toning still don't bring me to the color I want, then I'm gonna have to bleach it again. To tone, I'm going to use the Wella T18 with 20 volume developer. You mix 1 part developer, and the easiest way to do that is pour all contents of the bottle inside of your mixing bowl. Pour the entire bottle. Ooh, this is strong. And then what you're going to do is take your 20 volume bottle of developer and fill it up twice. You're gonna fill the bottle up twice. So it's 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. And we're going to apply it the exact same way that I applied the bleach. You should have put a new pair of gloves on. Mix it on up. This is what it looks like. So y'all, the plan is to let it sit for like 10 minutes. It's 2:30. I watched a few videos and they said that once it starts to turn purple, you need to take it off, because with it being so light, it can stain your hair and you will have a purple tint. I don't want a purple tint. I just kind of want it more white than yellow. All right, y'all, I just finished shampooing the toner out, and let's see. It's still not the white color I want, but I'm gonna go ahead and just stick with this. This is platinum, but I want more of that white color. And because the hair is so light now, that means any product you put on it, if it has a color tint to it, your hair would definitely change colors. So please be mindful of what you're using. Make sure the color of whatever product you're using is white. So I am going to use Design Essentials Express Conditioner, and it's white. I know it's bright, you can't really see it on camera, but this is the color of it. And I'm putting this conditioner on, because bleaching and then the toner, I just took my hair through some things. And although it's short, I still want it to look nice. I still want it to kind of remain healthy. Not kind of, I want it to remain healthy. I let this sit for about an hour. And then rinse it out and proceed to the styling portion of the video.
1 hour later.
I do like the color. I just want it just a tad bit whiter. But I am first going to take this Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. Remember I said make sure it's white. Even though I just conditioned it for an hour, I'm still putting leave-in conditioner because bleach is very harsh. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil. I think I should have put the oil first, but I know on camera it probably looks like it's lighter around my hairline, but I promise y'all it's not. It's an even color all the way around. Let me see what it'll do if I put a little foam wrap on it. Y'all, this is my first time ever having this cut, so I'm just trying to feel my way through until I kind of get the hang of it and what I like and what I want with it. Now this brush has a hard side and a softer side, so now I'm using a softer side. Okay, now what I'm gonna do next, because it's laying flat, I'm put the do-rag on it. I don't put it on the side with the seam. I put it on this side so it doesn't have that line going straight down my head. Hold it, pull it down tight. And then I'm pulling it down in the back, as well as leaving these strings here wide. All right, y'all. Do-rag is on snug.
I'm coming in hot.
I love it, y'all. I love it. I still want to go just a little bit lighter. She cute. Got the natural waves going on. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my new look, respectfully. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and stay poppin'. I will. I'll catch each of you in the next video. Adios.